from a long finger bones. Oh, the wind and rain. He made fiddle pegs from a long finger bone, singing oh that dreadful wind and rain. He made a fiddle out of her breastbone. Oh, the wind and rain. He made that fiddle out of her breastbone, singing oh that dreadful wind and rain. The only song that the fiddle would play was oh,